And the closer I got, the farther I went.
System?
It's like Sound of Music. Sound of Music? Will this be 2.0 or 1.0?
They put up 1.0.
Sound of Music 0.0. Huh?
Yes. I do.
1, 2, 3, go. A deer, a female deer, rain, a drop of golden sun. Will be a name I call myself. Do-do-do-fa, along the way to run. So I need to pull it through. Da-da-da-da-da-da. I know to follow so da-da-da-da-da-da. I drip with jam and bread. That will bring us back to do for so much long. So do. You guys were having fun. I almost slept off actually, but we're keeping awake with stuff. We're listening to K strings. We're listening to Theophilus Sunday, maybe just one, but mostly K strings. And we're keeping fun, taking content, and also talking and reminiscing on the good old days, like Sound of Music.
Yeah.
Say hi to the driver.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
That's your girl Yami and your girl Yu. Take care. Till next time.
Oh, they're actually working.
Yeah.
Hello. You guys, we made a stop on the road. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just a road stop, right, live and direct from the streets. The streets. Oh my
cavalry
gosh,
here.
it's so cool though. It's really nice. I just wanted one stop really.
Yeah, I know.
Nothing serious.
After a long ride, it's been like
Yeah.
1 hour 30 minutes or so.
Yeah.
It's a long drive for now, but this is a farm.
Look
and
at
it
the
looks
farm.
so
Look at the
pretty.
view.
What does that look like? Is it like rice? No, it's not rice. Rice is longer.
Yeah, rice is longer. I don't know what it is.
Maybe like
Corn?
potatoes.
No. Oh
What do they
yeah,
do
they
in
do a lot of
Canada?
potatoes. They do a lot of potatoes.
Content must go on. Okay.
Content must go on.
Oh my gosh, that's a nice snack break. After our intense, that was so intense. Like we were doing between the wind and the sun. I don't know. Yeah, the cars extra,
And
but
the
we saw a
farmers?
farmland and they were waving to us. I'm like, hey.
Very nice.
Oh, it's not yet doing that.
You know that I can't well do.
Some people when they talk like that, I do podcast with respect.
My dear, I lost my respect.
Oh,
Like you.
I don't
Is it
understand.
not God that said I will supply all your needs according to the glory of Christ Jesus?
Like,
That make your
you don't
let your
understand.
supplications be.
So we are here. We made it to the city area of where we're going, and we are at what's the conservatory called? Rock Glen Falls and Conservatory. So excited to tour. Come along. I don't know why I'm walking backwards, but yeah. It's also like a family resort, like on the other side. So if you're ever in the area, it could be cool to just like do the family resort. That's the family resort over there. And then like you get access to boats essentially. I love it. Very, very therapeutic. Yeah. Well, it is nature though. Nature. Oh my gosh, it's chilly.
It's like cooling. Won't he do it? You're not serious. Not you tested it.
I was going to do mine there. I was like,
Yeah.
that place looks shallow. What if I drop inside a hole?
Oh gosh,
pot of hole.
What do we think of the What do we think of the falls?
So, the falls,
Yeah.
very refreshing.
Very
A different side from the hot city.
Yeah.
And, you know, just a different vibe today.
Yeah.
I got close to it. I was feeling so courageous
Yeah.
to go close. And the closer I got, the farther I went. As I was approaching, I was running back.
And lots of people were taking photos.
Yeah, and
as I said earlier,
families.
there's a resort nearby, so we saw people around. Cute. So if you're looking for a honeymoon spot, a little family getaway, baby moon spa, I feel like this is it. It's quiet. It's not too loud and it's not too busy.
Yeah.
And there was more area to the park. But
And it's good
Yeah.
for new mothers to just take away time and focus on themselves,
Yeah.
get themselves together.
reflect.
You know.
And there's a lot of like picnic tables as well and everything. So
Everything is given. And
Yeah.
it's very affordable. It's just how much?
it was
$4.25?
$4.25 for the
$4.25
conservatory
for parking
area
and for
park.
entry. Like literally.
Toronto could never.
Toronto could never.
Love Toronto though. Love
Oh
Toronto.
boy.
Do love it, but
believe.
it could never. Anyways,
never.
we're off. See you at the next spot.
See ya.
Toodles. Hello. How's it going? Okay. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, we have 2 beds in the room. Lovely painting over there. It's giving farmland, the farm that we just walked past or drove past.
That looks like a barn.
It's very spacious and they have like everything like essential. It's not fancy, but like yeah. Like we're only staying for one iron board.
There's a coffee table too.
Towels. They've got a fridge. Is it on? Great, we can put juice and our stuff in there. Oh my gosh, and then the washroom. Meh. Just there.
Everywhere.
Just there. So pretty good.
Money's worth it.
Exhausted, but we gotta go. We have dinner in a few. The last seating is in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So we got to go, but we made it.
We're safe, guys.
Yes. Nice. The little vineyard. Say hi. Hi. Let me see the food. Okay, so this is the food. This is the plate. I got a salmon something and some focaccia. And some focaccia, and she got a pasta situation. What is this thing not showing? Anyways, let me see. Pasta. How is it?
It's tasty.
Yeah. So that's it. So I think what you said is the most accurate statement. No beef at
Ice cream.
even space. Space. Okay, hotel.
This is us scanning the area at night. What's the time? 10:52, almost 11. Oh, feels good to be independent. You know, I've been out to 2 a.m. before.
This is what independence feels like, or something like that.
When was that?
You said that today. And we're like, what? Stop this thing, please. There's no space.